Hey guys, in this we are going to see a new question number 134 to create a backup strategy for PVCs and create job backing up data from PVC to external location. External location can be anything. It can be our host path or any NFS volume or cloud storage or it can be another PVC as well. In this question, we are going to solve in such a way that data from one PVC is migrated to another PVC. Okay, so that's how the data is backed up from one PVC to the another. So let's get started. For this, we need a PVC which should be already created, and I'm going to take PVC and PVC YAML files which I used earlier to solve for previous questions. So yes, so this is my PVC, and if you see my previous question, I just want to take a example here. So this one is PV, and yep, that's it. So this is how you create PVC, and this is how you create PV. Let's do that. If you take pv.yaml and insert, I want to give it a go, and you can see the storage class is fast storage. Let's copy that, and I just want to use it here. So this indentation is important. Now let's create pvc.yaml, and I want to oopsie backup data. If this is our backup data, let's do one thing. Let me this to YAML. So you will have backup PVC, and backup PV. Similarly, I want to do for source as well, and so now I have four files. One is for backup, another is for source. Okay, so if you see, I want to edit it for source pv.yaml. Let's take it as this, and source pvc.yaml to this. I'll just apply all this pv.yaml, just backup pv.yaml and pvc.yaml. Similarly, so I'll just do a get pv pvc. It's bounded. Similarly, I'll do an apply for source pv.yaml and source pvc.yaml. So if you see, both are binded. My backup PVC is binded to, if you can see my PV, which is this one, and source data, which is this is binded to this. Now let's create pods which are using this PVCs. Okay. For that, I have a example in my Kubernetes documentation. You can check it out. I'll just do like source pod dot yaml and paste this, and I'll give the name here as source my pod, and let's take mount path as slash source, and it uses the claim named source data. This is the name here given for that PVC, one of the PVCs, right? So that's it, and I want to copy that source or.yaml to backup or.yaml, and I want to see edit it to have the mount path as backup, and this is also backup data, and this is also, I'll change to backup pod. Okay, so I'll apply this. You would be getting doubt like, why are we creating this if we want to do a migration? See, in order to do the migration and verify it, we need some data, right, to be there. So if you see clearly, in exam they would be giving you already this all resources, but in practice we don't have those, so we need to simulate it. That's what I'm doing. So if you do this, you have it here, and I'll just exec into my pod called backup pod using sh, and let's wait. I think this got stuck. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Can't move backward. Hmm. Hopefully it doesn't get reconnected. Let me okay, this is hyphen it, it should be, my bad. So if you see, there is a folder called backup, there is nothing in it. Okay, similarly I want to do for source, and inside this have a source folder, and here there is nothing. I want to enter something here like this source, you will go to backup my file1 dot txt. So sudo file1 dot txt. This is there. Now similarly, if you go into the backup, do you see anything? Yes, you see something. Why? Because okay, let's do one thing. Edit pod. Since this is the mount path as backup, whereas see, this is the mount path. Is it because it is because of what? The mount path is different. But still, why am I able to see data inside this? Copy to that. Why? See? Hmm. What if I do for the source? This is fine. Is it because of same image? Okay, so here is what we learned. We have two volumes and we have different claims. Each claim is binded to different pod, but we are saying that data of data present in one pod is getting copied to the data present in another pod. This is where we ended up here. So let's see the next things in the next video. So in the next video, I'll explain you the reason behind this, how to debug this. But our question we need to solve is we need to create a job which backs up data, but actually automatically from one PVC to another PVC, the data is getting migrated, right? So I just want to do a get jobs. There is no jobs also. So nothing is there. But how can the data is getting migrated? And in which case the data doesn't get migrated? And in that case we need to use a job. So that we'll see in the next lecture. Until then, signing off. Bye bye. Thank you so much.